Alright, so in this video we chased a storm up in Fredericksburg and slowly made our way south towards Bernie. In Fredericksburg we experienced about 50-60 mile per hour winds. That's when we first intercepted the storm, the shelf cloud and everything. That's where the time lapses are being filmed. Except for the next time lapse is over in Comfort, at Comfort High School, where there's just a parking lot that was empty, had a lot of debris flying around due to the high winds, and of course we got some slow motion lightning here. Major winds. That was the emphasis of the storm. The winds were probably about 50 to 70 miles an hour at some points, but it was shaking my car up in Fredericksburg, so I really just had a lot of fun chasing the storm. So I hope you guys enjoy. Adios.
Those cloud ground lightning strikes. That was one right there. Jeez, that's coming in fast. Whew. The wind is shaking my car right now. Pretty nice. Lightning picking up. We're finally getting to the middle of the storm.
Also, I highly recommend never doing this. I had one way in and one way out of this parking lot right here. I did not expect the water to be so high. Unfortunately, it was pretty high, and I was surprised that I got out of this parking lot. And unfortunately, yeah, just never do what I just now did. The lightning in the storm was probably about within like a good solid 100 to 200 meters of me at some points. I did not capture every single lightning strike, but I did, however, get most of the lightning strike captured on camera. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a great rest of your day.
Alright. We made it through. Oh, I did not expect it to be that bad, I'm not gonna lie.